Cywain is celebrating 5 years of helping food and drink businesses in Wales to grow. Funded by the Welsh Government, we've helped over 1,100 businesses to achieve their growth ambitions.
I found out about Cywain through another company that uses them called Cywain. They've helped me with finance, pitches, VAT, improving my sales. They've managed to get me into Blast Avoid, wholesale contracts. They've provided me with loads of one-to-one workshops, seminars. I've done so much through them and just really grateful for their support. We've currently been working with 0 to 5 through the help of Cywain to get us to a SALSA accreditation. They've helped us with our HACCP. We've got to the stage where our facility is good enough for SALSA, so we're now going through the process of applying. So my business is starting to grow thanks to Cywain through the wholesale contracts. The retail sales are growing online too, which has meant that I now have to take on a full-time staff member. So my future goals for Lilo's Handmade is to hopefully be in supermarkets, online retailers, and yeah, I hope the growth continues. I hope to get new wholesale contracts and progress through the years.
Mae Cywain wedi helpu fi o'r dechrau hefo y brandio, efo'r survey, yn wedi rheolwr datblygu lleol ni, galluogi ni i gwybod bod ni'n mynd yn gwneud y peth iawn. Ond mae Cywain wedi helpu ni greu swyddi efo'r busnes newydd i ddechrau un, a wedyn wedi symud ymlaen, da ni wedi creu fwy o swyddi yn y flwyddyn gyntaf, a erbyn hyn hefo swyddi tymhorol yn cyflogi bobl lleol. Drwy Cywain, dwi wedi gallu islawr hefo mentoriaid, a maen nhw wedi helpu fi gallu codi gwerth y llaeth, a yn rhan o broses yna, da ni wedi penderfynu mynd lawr y lôn a wneud hyfenian i'n hunain. Mae Cywain wedi galluogi fi i ehangu a creu marchnad newydd. Gyda ni rwan siop yn Cerrig 30 milltir ffwrdd o fama, ond da ni'n gwerthu cynnyrch ni fan o llaeth a sgwtlaeth a'r hyfenia a cynnyrchydd lleol hefyd eraill. Mae rheolwr datblygu fi, mae'n o hyd barod i gefnogi fi. Mae ochr arall i ffôn o hyd ar e-bost ac yn o hyd yn meddwl amdana i yn gyrru linciau a felly mae'n gwerthfawrogi hyn ofnadwy, ynddo.
When we started the business, we had no background in food or drink production. It was quite a challenge to work out what hoops we needed to jump through to comply with all the legislation. It was great when we started talking with Cywain. They gave us a massive amount of support right at the start. We had some help with our branding. It was great to get that sorted, just made the business look a lot more professional. And without support from Cywain, we just wouldn't have been able to do that at that stage because we were spending money on a lot of other things getting set up. Staff at Cywain are very knowledgeable about different things to do with the food and drink industry. Right at the start of our journey to become mead makers, Cywain really helped us with the study tour that they took us on to visit another meadery, just so we could see what they were doing, how they were doing it, and work out how we could improve our processes. It really helped us to make our business more efficient, make the product better. After the business had been going for a while and we got sufficient production that we were starting to look for new markets, I joined the Fine Food Cluster, and then through the Fine Food Cluster I also joined the Destination Northwest project. I actually met a honey supplier with a really nice honey that I have then gone on to win gold medal in Europe's largest mead competition with. So without that support from Cywain, from the Destination Northwest project and the Fine Food Cluster, I'd have never found that contact and wouldn't have that product today.
The Seafood Cluster has been a great help. For years helped with product development, dealing with social media training, but also knowledge of the seafood industry and the coastal communities, fishing communities in Wales. It's the ability to, one, collaborate with each other. So often you're all too busy running around to stop and talk and make connections, and that collaboration obviously means you can learn from each other's mistakes and also help each other with the things going right. The expertise within Mentor Business with huge knowledge of the seafood sector. It's a very important network. On several occasions they've had various workshops, and they continue to give advice and guidance to the people here at Carrowmore. They're always at the end of a phone, That's absolutely crucial. The other thing with Mentor Business is, it gives you the wider connections. Again, they know who to speak to. It's invaluable as far as I'm concerned.
When we joined Cywain, we were a micro business. we have grown to a significant number of members of staff. So we've moved from the micro to the fine food cluster. We've received invaluable support, including website design, SEOs. With this training, we've developed effective marketing strategies that have helped us drive sales and get more customers. We've received guidance on functional, practical, sustainable packaging. We bring a taste of Africa to Wales and the world. We are proud members of the Fine Food Cluster, and it's given us an opportunity to collaborate with other co-producers, joint venturing, joint buying, and it's helped us create a strong brand ID for our business.